Ira Mamauag Pergilana versus Francisco Pena Jr.
Sige, attorney, hindi ba sa context kung ano po yung nangyari?
So,
Ira
supposedly,
Mamauag Pergilana.
dapat today yung submission of the counter affidavit ng initial respondent.
Francisco Pena Jr.
AMLAC Executive
Francisco
Director,
Pena
and
Jr.
some members of House. Pero yung nangyari is, minove yung submission of counter affidavits to July 3. Kasi we filed an addendum kasi sinama namin yung SEC and the Insurance Commission. So they requested, since ngayon lang nila na-receive complaint, kung pwede, July 3 na lang yung counter affidavit. So because of that, it also benefited yung first few
Kizia Jonavin Morales
So in summary, na-move lang yung
assisted by
deadline
her
instead of today,
mother,
July 3,
Jonalyn Arquia
submission of
Morales
counter affidavit.
versus Kurt Lawrence Toledo Natanaw.
Yes. So we included them kasi yung Anti-Money Laundering Council, based on the Anti-Money Laundering Act, they must act unanimously kasi. So when you say unanimously, lahat sila mag-decide. Since part po ng AMLAC yung SEC and Insurance Commission, and then we clarified with them what was the decision, kung paano nila nag-come up with a decision to disclose. Tingin namin, they should be included based on their response.
Yung argument kasi ng House ng nakaraan, parang si Attorney Iman Scarborough is the husband of Sara Duterte, which is the public official.
Yes.
Why? Parang
Kezia Jonavin Morales Chicolin.
kailangan din
Kezia Jonavin Morales Chicolin.
So yung number one dyan, kailangan tingnan lang yung sa anti-money laundering.
Jonalyn
Act, as
Morales.
amended, RA 9160.
Jonalyn
If you look
Morales.
at Section 8A, ang nakalagay kasi doon, shall not be disclosed in any manner confidential AMLAC transaction records. So, wala naman pong exception nilagay. And pangalawa dyan that we have to remember yung confidentiality laws that emanates from the Bill of Rights, which is also a constitutional provision and Article 3. So in other words, or in simple terms, yung impeachment powers of the House must be performed while respecting also the constitutional rights of private individuals.
how confident are you or how strong is the case?
So yung position naman namin as lawyers, titingnan na namin ano yung elements of a crime sa batas. And then we will just look at the facts kung applicable ba yung
Francisco Pena
elements of the
Jr.
facts. If applicable, then we will
Francisco
file
Pena
the
Jr.
appropriate case. And to make it simple,
Jonalyn
confident
Morales.
kami kasi very straightforward.
Jonalyn
naman po yung
Morales.
anti-money laundering act shall not be disclosed in any manner. So since confidential information, AMLAC records were disclosed, then that is a violation of the anti-money laundering act.
Magkakaroon ba ito ng effect sa impeachment?
Lionel Palima.
Hindi siya directly
Russell
affecting
Palima.
impeachment. So yung mga directly affecting cases kasi yan yung mga injunction, temporary restraining order. This does not aim to do that, but rather para lang maging liable yung mga may ginawang criminal act, which is yung illegal disclosure.
Yeah,
Thank you.